राधिका इस्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my prostrated obeisance to the lotus feet of my beloved spiritual master, His Divine Grace, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Thakur, Grand Spiritual Master, His Divine Grace, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, as well as I offer the same to all appointed Acharya of Sri Brahmarudra Shanak Sampradayas and pure devotee as well. So yesterday, due to some technical issue plus health issue also, my health issue not allowing me to come, first of all, we have to know that one thing is that we may keep lots of desire, but it may not fulfill until it is not appreciated by Lord. This text like this. Apon ichha jab kotivancha kare, Krishna ichha hole tobe phal dhare. We can keep lots of millions of desire, but when it is appreciated by Krishna, then we can see the fruits. Otherwise, no result. So therefore, we have to always think about to keep connection with Krishna. The Lord, in order to keep connection eternally, all the time, every step, Lord appear in this iron age, because our duration of life is very short. Therefore, He appeared in the form of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which is called Harinam Chintamani. We say this Harinam is Chintamani, thought-fulfilling stone. Thought-fulfilling stone. So during the time, we have to think about Lord pastime, Lord holy place, Lord several weeks already passed, but we finished only 3 chapters. Today we are going to read the Namabhasya Vaikuntadi Prapakottam. Through Namabhas we can have also in the abode of Vaikuntha. What is Vaikuntha? Vaikuntha means one abode where we can see an opulence of Lord. Golok. Golok is one abode where we can see sweet nature of Lord. Whoever there, everybody in nature sweet, never argue. People are dancing. People are walking as like a dancing, speaking like they're singing. That Golok Vrindavan. Therefore, we should choose ourselves where to go. So here say Namabhasa, here the explanation is Namabhasa Vaikuntadi Prapti. When you are in the platform of Namabhasa, in a Pratibimba Namabhas. You can see, we can see the reflection of a very high class Namabhas. Not yet pure name, but it is high class Namabhas. Dharma artha kama moksha chatur varga data sarva shakti dhare Namabhas jivatrata. Dharma, religiosity, artho, money, kama means desire, moksha, liberation. This chatur varga data, 4 things we can have through Namabhas. But Lord Chaitanya appeared here. Pancham Purushartha means 5th steps of these 5th steps of our spiritual practice. What is the 5th stage? 5th stage is prema. This prema will allow us to go in Goloka. And this prem is divine loving wealth of Goloka. He appeared in the form of Holy Name. Our purpose of chanting not to reach Namabhas. Our purpose of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra to reach prema. Whoever have prema, you can see they don't want to make quarrel. They don't want to waste their valuable time with quarrel, with argument, with any other material activities. They are always trying to engage themselves to relish their life, relishing about each Golok Vrindavan. So this 4 Chatur Vargadata Namabhas. Sarva Shakti Dhare Namabhas Jivatrata. Even Namabhas, if we chant with Namabhas stage, Jivatrata, they can deliver from this, miserable mundane world. You know, like Ajamil. Ajamil is a person whole life he committed so many sinful activities. But somehow or other he got blessings from Loms Rishi. And he kept his younger son name in Narayan. During the time of his physical departure, when he saw the ferocious features, 3 ferocious features from abode of Jamraj, god of death, he was really fearful. Then out of fear, he was calling to his son Narayan, younger son. But that Narayan, when he was chanting that time, he also remembered Lord Narayan. Therefore Lord Narayan's messenger with 4 arms, they came and they kick all the Jamaraj messenger. Means god of death Jamaraj, his messenger, 3 messengers came, they kicked them out, and then when he trying to take Ajamil, then he saw he has no sadhana, no proper practice. No proper practice means what? Means not initiation from pure devotee, from a lineage, no chanting, nothing is there. So therefore, no sadhana, no qualification too. But you will get inspiration to practice. So they kept Ajamil in Haridwar, a place where is Ganga river. You can see the Ganga river coming from there. Ganga's current is heavy over there. And water is extremely cold because ice melted water. We have a temple nowadays, we have a temple over there. Very nice temple we made with the help of our devotee. So anyway, so dharma artha kama moksha chaturvarga data sarva shakti dhare namavas jivatrata. Namavas can deliver in that way. If you have namavas, you will not go to hell. You will go, gradually you will go back to spiritual abode, but accordingly. I can give an example. This example is Ajamil, you can see 12 years. Also one more example I can give you, that one of our Guru Varga, householder devotee, named Ram Goti Prabhu. Very significant example. Because Srila Prabhupada's beautification, always people feel attraction towards Prabhupada. So Prabhupada, once he went to Assam for preaching purpose. Assam is a state. India have so many states. Assam is one state. Where many people, Bengalis are there, Assam is there. Assamese people by nature very devoted nature. So anyway, Prabhupada went there for preaching purpose. It was, the city name is Sarabhog city. And that place, the Ramgoti Babu came and see Prabhupada, and he decided to become his disciples, wholeheartedly surrendered to Srila Prabhupada. And Prabhupada also gave him Harinam initiation. Prabhupada means Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. Actually, Prabhupada means, Prabhu means Mahaprabhu, Pada means his lotus feet, which carrying the lotus feet of Lord Mahaprabhu by example, they are eligible to use this title Prabhupada in their name. They are eligible to use the title Srila Prabhupada in their name. Prabhupada, Vishnupad, we can see Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. This Prabhupada title, given by all Vaishnava communities scholars together, when he finished 1 billion name, 1 billion name in 11 years is needed. If you chant 192 rounds every day, then you are eligible to finish this 1 billion name chanting on beads in 11 years. After finishing, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Bimala Prabhupada, actually his Brahmachari name was Shivarsha Bhanavi Doito Das. Shivarsha Bhanavi Doito means dear of Vrishabhanu Maharajas. Doita means dear. Varsha Bhanavi. Varshana Bhanu mane Vrishabhanu Maharajas daughter. her dear. Means Radharani is very dear. So anyway, look. So he took sannyas. After sannyas, his name became Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. Then all the scholars together, they gave him the title. They gave him the title, Srila Prabhupada. Means his name becomes Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur. Therefore, always whenever I say Srila Prabhupada, you have to know this Srila Prabhupada means Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. I am telling you. Because my Guru Vargas, most of the Guru, all Guru Varga used to call him Srila Prabhupada. Even ISKCON founder, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, because they are talking about Prabhupada, about him. So according to their justification, so they are calling him Srila Prabhupada. There is no objection for that. But our objection is when they are delete the Prabhupada title from the name of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. This is the objection. It will be intellectually if they use it, if they use it, that Srila Prabhupada title in the name of Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur Prabhupada, then it will appropriate for them. But anyway, they are big society, they have some different understanding, different status of spiritual practice. I don't like to involve with them, but this is I just express my opinion to you and all. If we say Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada and Bhakti Vedanta Prabhupada, there is no problem for that. The why they are not using, that I am not able to understand about it. So anyway, look, this Sarva Shakti Dhare Namabhasa Jivatata. So the Ramagati Prabhu, after the initiation, when he returned to his home, he was already devotee. When he returned to home, then his wife was too much rebellious with him. Extremely rebellious. She doesn't allow him to practice, to follow Vaishnava principle. But he promised to his Gurudev. He decided better to die, not to eat. And definitely, if you dedicate to someone, and if you get obstacles to follow follow his instruction, definitely you feel depression. And after the depression, long time depression, definitely you will feel sick. The Ramagati Prabhu situation was like that. Ramagati Prabhu eventually he departed, physically departed. Really it is departed. You don't think it is like a story, it is fact, real fact. So what happened when he departed? So Ramagati Prabhu, he went to Jamraj, abode of Jamraj. As soon as he went to Jamraj, the Jamraj checked, his judgment was like this. When he is looking for, then he has a special devotional credit, pious credit, Shukriti. Bhakti Unmukhi Shukriti he has. But there is no proper description what he is doing. So therefore, Jamraj asking him so much questions, but out of fear to see the surrounding atmosphere of Jamlok, means abode of Jamraj, god of death. She was totally fearful. and unable to answer anything. But he has devotional pious credit, bhakti unmukhi sukriti. Asking his, who is your guru, spiritual master? Then he says, Srila Prabhupada. As soon as he says Srila Prabhupada, then he sent him back. Jamraj sent him back. Like you can see, like, Krishna, when he was in Santi Muni's ashram, when he finished his study, then Santi Muni's wife requests Krishna, so you are study here, so do you like to give us Guru Dakshina? Krishna said yes. Then she approached Krishna and Balaram that, is it possible for you to bring my son back? My son expired. He went to the ocean. Then some type of Asura, Panchajanna Asura, such type of Asura, attacked by him and he expired. Is it possible to bring my son back? Then Krishna said, yes, everything possible. Krishna went to abode of Jamraj and bring their son back. Son name is Punardat. His son, Santi Muni's son name is Punardat. He bring him back. It was Krishna's Guru Dakshina. So it is possible. Jamraj sent him back. As soon as Ramgoti Prabhu just says, Srila Prabhupada. This thing happened after Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta physical departure. It was 1939, 1940, in this period. So come back. Then, this according to the ritual of our Indian tradition, after death, they want to bring the dead body in cremation ground and cremate. How? Like open fire. They are bringing firewood, putting properly, and then keep his body on the top. Before that, they arrange Panchamrit to bathe his dead body. So they are doing all the ritual. All of a sudden, they saw he became alive with we can say sound health. So everybody thought maybe some ghost came in his body, and this is a ghost, he is not the Ramgoti Prabhu. So they decided to kill him with bamboo. Bengal, Assam, they have lots of bamboo. So when they are going to do so, then he says, no, don't do that. I am same Ramgoti from your family. I expired, it is true. Then I went to abode of Jamraj, but this is the fact. Jamraj sent me back. As soon as I say, my Gurudev is Srila Prabhupada. So, by the grace of my Gurudev, I got my life back. Means Jamraj sending him back for sadhana. How many are 12 years? Also 12 years. So therefore, whenever we get connection with Supreme pure devotee of Supreme Lord, and wholeheartedly surrender and chant, that means we are in the stage of Namabhas. Surrender without offense. The Namabhas gradually make our life pure. Means gradually all the unwanted mundane desire passing, and then we become a pure devotee, Prem. So, how Ajamil got it? Similarly, Ramgoti Prabhu, after the incident, he went to his Gurudeva temple in Asham, and he stayed there 12 years, sadhana. Very focused sadhana. Then he expired. So then he physically expired, real manner, and go back to spiritual abode. So Jagat Ananda, Sarva Shakti Dhare Namabhas Jivatrata. Namabhas gradually this way. Thus Namabhas gradually deliver us. Jivatrata. Ji means living entity, Trata means delivered. All living entity, they will delivered gradually. Jagat Anandakar Seshta Padaprada Agatir Agati Sarva Seshta Pado. Jagat, universe, Anandakar means blissful. Why? Because it is this Jagat, you, me, everybody, all the living entities, they are coming from Lord. Lord is embodiment of bliss. Jagat Anandakar Seshta Padaprada. Seshta Pad means best position. Why? Seshta, because here we are eligible to chant. You can see in the heaven, all the god and goddesses, they are also begging to become human form. Why? Because they have such opulence, such responsibility, such opulence. They don't have time to chant. Because they are actually, we can say they are appointed by Lord to perform different responsibility. Whatever Lord appointed them, like a Lord Shiva, appointed by Krishna. Dhangsha means destroy. Destroy our all demonic activities. You can see, if you are not properly worship Lord Shiva, then after worshipping Lord Shiva, you become demon. You have to pray to Lord Shiva. Please give me the devotion to Krishna. Then Lord Shiva make you proper Krishna's devotee. Like me, my family have one temple, Kali, Siddheshwari Kali. Siddheshwari means who is able to fulfill our all desire. Means whatever material desire we have, who is able to fulfill that. Siddheshwari Kali. Kali is one's form, and bottom Lord Shiva is there. So my grandmother, my paternal grandmother, she also loved Lord Shiva. So according to our family tradition, whoever born, so grandmother always bring all of us to Lord Shiva temple. And then they shave our head in front of Lord Shiva. Means, Shiva, this is your servant. This is the theme, like that. To pray to Lord, then surrender all of us to Lord Shiva. I think I am here and speaking you and all about Harinam Chintamani. It is by the grace of Lord Shiva. Why I am telling so? Because gradually, my maternal grandfather he was, and he is also Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta disciples. We become interested to follow his path gradually. And now I am here because of the Lord Shiva, I think. So anyway, Jagat Anandakar Seshta Pada Pradam. Seshta Pad. Best lotus feet. Where? Lord lotus feet. Jagat coming, universe coming from Lord. Sheshta Pada means Supreme Lord. Who is Supreme Lord? Krishna. Agatir Agati Sarva Sheshta Pad. The best destiny. Sheshta Pad means lotus feet of Krishna. But Krishna is too far. Therefore Krishna sent his representative, Guru. You can see there is explanation in Chaitanya Charitamrita that Guru Krishna Ruphan Shastre Pramane Guru Rupe Krishna Kripa Karen Bhakta Gane. Guru Krishna Ruphan. Guru Krishna Ruphan. Gurudev appear in the form of, Krishna appear in the form of Guru. Guru Krishna Ruphan. Krishna's Roop, Krishna's form appear in the form of Guru. Because we have lots of anartha, unwanted mundane desire. Still, although we are chanting, but still we are fighting. Groupism, also we are discriminating, also we have lots of bad habit. Everything we have. This is anartha. We don't know our actual sharup, our identity. Still we are greedy to accumulate materials, stuff. Still we have offensive tendency. Still we have weakness of our heart. That's all we have. So, those anartha, as long it is there with us, it is with us. Krishna not able to come to us. Therefore Krishna sent his representative to, and then through the representative Guru, Krishna bestow his blessings to all of us. Am I clear? So Jagat Anandakar Seshta Pada Prada Agatir Ek Gati Sarva Seshta Prada. Like Agati means that it is not possible to go any places. But if the chant in Sadhu Sangha with the association of pure devotees, they are eligible to go the Seshta Pada, the best place where people can be eternally blissful. Am I clear? Shashta pada. So that Guru Krishna Rupan Shastra Pramane, Guru Rupe Krishna Kipa Koren Bhaktavane. So Krishna bestow his blessings, mercy through his pure devotees. So therefore we are accepting Guru and Vaishnava. We are trying to surrender to them. Only one goal, that we want to deliver ourselves from this miserable, mundane world. Agoti Ragoti. Therefore, we have to accept Harinam from pure devotees and chant Harinam without offense. Eventually, all our bad karma's consequence will pass away. Everything, even the tendency to commit bad karma, it also becomes destroyed. Gradually destroyed. So, Vaikunthadi lok prapti nama vasya visheta kali yuge sarva shastra kaya. Vaikunthadi lok prapti. Vaikuntha lok means abode of Vaikuntha. No kuntha, no obstacles. Vaikuntha. We can reach through semblance of holy name. Don't worry about what we did in past. But always think about we should not do anymore. Whatever bad karma committed, whatever cheating propensity, cheating, whatever ignorance, out of ignorance, whatever you did, everything will just to stop to do that and chant Harinam. Then you can see all the bad karma what you committed by your cheating, whatever, gambling, raping, whatever. Everything will be completely, we can be completely free from all the bad karma's consequence through chanting. And of course, no offense. No offense. So Namabhash, semblance of holy name. Then one word is a Visheshatvam, especially. The Namabhash will deliver us when the Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga, it is very difficult to find a person who is chanting pure name. Very difficult. Because who is chanting pure name, they are always feeling separation. And who is chanting pure name, out of separation, Mahaprabhu says, Nayanangaladasudharaya. His eyes is full of tears. Badanang gadgadaruddhaya, he is not able to speak properly. Always crying, voice choked, but blissful. Crying and blissful, how is it possible? This is the mood. Badanang gadgadaruddhaya, pulakoi nichitanga bopu. Pulak, adalap, ananda. Pleasure. Bopu means body. Why? Because holy name appeared in his form. He can see that divine couple with his divine vision in his heart. Therefore, Pulak. But why separation? He may have disappeared. We don't want them to disappear from our vision. Therefore, separation. So this stage is very rare. Therefore, Kali Yuga, even which is in the stage of Namavas, you can get Vaikuntha. You can reach Vaikuntha. You can, it is described in all Shastra. Even Lord Chaitanya says to Subhuddhira, same thing. এক নামাভাসে তোমার সর্ব পাপ দোষ যাবে. Only one chanting semblance of holy name, all your sinful reaction with bad karma's consequence will pass away. আর কৃষ্ণর নাম লতে কৃষ্ণ চরণ স্থিতি. If you continue to chant such manner, then you are eligible to reach Krishna's lotus feet. And our Krishna Nam Loita Charan Krishna Charanavasiti, if you keep continue, you can reach Krishna's lotus feet permanently. Mahapatokira Hei Payasiti, the great Shinar, that is his only atonement, just to chant, even the Namava stage. This is explained by Lord Chaitanya. To whom? Subhuddhira. You can read that. So anyway, so today I think it is enough. Tomorrow we can come. And we can talk about this next stage. Hari Bol.